Hello everyone, I'm here to review my favorite book, that is Start with Why. This is written by Simon Sinek and this is very popular book. I'm sure you have must read, and if not read you have heard about it. This book is depend in one concept, that is Golden Circle. Golden Circle talks about start with why, figure out how it can be done, and what all thing will be required. So whole concept are based on why. That's why a book title is Start with Why. Why I like this book so much? Because start with why is a very crucial and important thing to start. When I started my journey, then I should know why. So digital marketing is my passion. I like to help SMEs and B2B companies to grow their business, and they anyone who are building a company in Indian ecosystem can get a help in digital marketing. That is my why to start my company. And this is very crucial because my messaging, how I perceive the clients, which kind of people I hire, which all client we are able to close, this all are is a kind of how and what. But why we have started, that is very, very important. Now, first key takeaways is start with why, not what. Second learning is people buy why, not what. Author gives an example of Tesla. Tesla are not selling an electrical car. Tesla is selling a vision of sustainability that is for the word from the Tesla. So that is very important. Next learning is leader inspire with why. Leaders always say why we want to do that. Author gives an example of Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream. That speech was so famous because it was started with a why, and leaders were proposing about that what is a dream of USA. That is very, very important. So leaders always start with why. Next learning is purpose drives financial success. Author says that if you have purpose, you are able to build a great business, you will be able to successful, you will be able to build a great business out of not kind of only for revenue but actually helping the society, and that is very, very important. Because whenever we do our work, whenever we go home after completing all calls, hours in working, then that satisfaction matters a lot. Whatever we achieve, if there is no satisfaction, that will not be fulfilled. So author says that purpose drives financial success and the mental peace. Next learning are early adopter spread your why. Early adopter are usually there, they have the first hand experience of your product and services. Now they know better that how to communicate about your product, what can be the review, and they are the best source who can give you proper feedback what you're giving, product services, which kind of problem you are solving, that all thing they can know. And they are someone who talks about your product and services to real customer, so they are very, very crucial. Next learning, leaders inspire not commands. So many years in corporate I have seen so many managers and many leaders. Now few people talks that we need to do this and that. Leaders actually shows how, and they trust a lot, they help their team to get the result. So that is very, very crucial. Author says leaders are there to get things done, not actually doing that. That is very, very important. But to show guidance and the vision and the thought process, that all thing can become from the leader. So leadership inspire, not command. Next learning is losing your why leads to failure. Why author says that if I don't know the why and I am building something, and now if some customer are coming, and if I'm not sure about why I have created that, or I have some other 10 things that I am concentrating on, and customer want other 5 things, that will not work to build a business. So that is very, very crucial. So if I am not able to concentrate on the real problem, then the service and product will be failure. So that author says losing your why leads to failure. Next learning, that leave a legacy of why. Whenever we see so many successful people, they have really worked hard, they leave a legacy of why. I can see Steve Jobs, Narayan Murthy, Sudha Murthy, and so many Indian and international businessmen I can see that they leave a legacy. So that is very, very crucial. That's it for Start with Why. If you want to inspire and lead with a purpose, this book is must read, and this is my favorite book. Why? Because I know what I'm doing, and that is something very, very crucial. If you want to do anything in the world, that why should be clear, so that you can lead to the good business, you can lead a great result. So that is very, very important. And how and what can be figured out later, but why is very, very crucial. So this is the core learning from this book. Thank you so much if you are listening me till here. Thank you.